In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bio oil to remove stretch marks. Bio oil is an amazing skincare product that helps with a number of skin issues like wrinkles, stretch marks, uneven skin tone and dryness. It works wonders if you use it regularly and can help you achieve the skin of your dreams. Bio oil is an oil derived from calendula, lavender, rosemary and chamomile oil. The formula also contains a breakthrough ingredient called PurCellin Oil, which is a replica of the oil that ducks produce to keep their feathers waterproof. So does it work? Well, yes, it does slowly. If you use it daily for at least 3 months, then you'll be able to notice considerable difference in any of your skin issues. So how do you use bio oil? Well, you need to massage it into the affected area in a circular motion until it has been completely absorbed, and do this twice a day until you notice the difference. Do it before bedtime, as this way the oil will be absorbed throughout the night and will be more beneficial as compared to its application during the day. Bio oil recently has gained popularity for using it for stretch marks. This is because the oil reduces the possibility of stretch marks forming during teenage growth spurts, pregnancy, and periods of rapid weight gain, and it can also improve the appearance of existing stretch marks. It is safe to use for pregnant women and works really well by maximising the skin's elasticity, thereby reducing the possibility of stretch marks. It also helps by keeping the skin moisturised and ensuring the skin maintains its maximum elasticity, as it is the body's best defence against the formation of stretch marks. So what you need to do is massage the oil in a circular motion into the stretch marks. Do this twice daily for a minimum of 3 months. During pregnancy, it should be applied from the start of the second trimester to areas that are prone to stretch marks such as the abdomen, breasts, lower back, hips, buttocks and thighs. Start using bio oil today and you'll soon see the difference. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use bio oil to remove stretch marks. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on more amazing benefits of bio oil. Thanks for watching and bye for now.